What is up, y'all, and welcome back to Qui Nichelle on the channel. Y'all know we talk about fashion, beauty, and life. And y'all, today I'm making some good old Philly cheesesteaks at home. So if you want to see me cook this for the first time, make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you do like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to tell a friend about Qui Nichelle, honey, because y'all know how we do on the channel. Now, y'all, I do already have a little grease. I'm cooking in a pot. I do already have a little grease in the pot because I saw them putting grease. I never cooked Philly cheesesteak at home. So, this will be my first time. I am going to use some butter because they use a little bit of cooking oil. And they use butter when they cook the meat. So, I'm going to go ahead and turn the stove on. And let that get hot a little second. I'm going to show y'all what we are using. I'm going to use the rest of... Baby didn't put the top back on all the way, y'all. Anyway, I'm going to use the rest of this little pepper blend. And then I do have some of the frozen kind that I'm going to use. And then we are cooking 2 of these. So, yeah, and then we have our rolls, some white American cheese, and I think, the cheese sauce. I got 2 cans of the cheese sauce. So, we are cooking that. And from what I can tell, it's a very, very simple recipe or something to cook. So, that's what we're doing right now. I do have my little meat thing smasher. I don't really know how you're supposed to cook this steak. I think they use like a spatula, but I got a spatula too. So, yeah, and then I got a pot for the nacho cheese and then a pan for the, to char the rolls, because they did char the rolls or whatever. I'm going to be using a little bit of liquid smoke. They used Worcestershire sauce, Worcestershire, whichever one. But I don't have any right now, so I'm going to use liquid smoke, a little bit of beef broth, black pepper, seasoned salt, and then garlic and onion powder. So very, very simple. Yeah, let me put the butter in so it can start melting. And I'm just gonna use the rest of this piece of butter. And I'm gonna bring y'all close to the pan when I get ready to put the meat and stuff in. So let this get hot and I'll be right back with y'all. Okay, y'all, so I put one little piece of pepper in. And it's cooking, so I want to go ahead and put the peppers in. And use the rest of that. Let me bring y'all up. I think y'all can see it though. Okay, so that's a good angle. I guess I could have let it get hotter, but I'm going to turn up the heat a little bit. Y'all already know how I feel about the stove. And I'm going to season the peppers. This is black pepper. Seasoned salt. Garlic powder. Onion powder. And the beef broth. And I'm going to just let these get soft. And once they start getting a little bit soft, I'm going to go in with the meat. And I did take the meat. Yeah, this stove irks me so bad. Because I'm not really used to cooking with it on like, where's y'all look? Not really used to cooking with a stove on like 8 or 9. But this one, what you would consider medium, you have to put it on like 8 or 9. And that's irking for me. Oh, this is what the meat looks like. This is my first time buying it, so I didn't know what it looked like. But it looked like it's just frozen steak. Like in a little, I don't know what this is called, but it looks like it's going to break apart pretty easily. So now here's cooking a little bit. And again, I want that to get a little soft because some of those in the bag were frozen. So I'll come back when it's time to put the meat in. Okay, y'all, so these are cooking pretty good. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the meat in. I did already put I think you just literally put them in there. And they break apart as they're cooking. I did already put the cheese in the pot, and I have it on like low, so we just can you know, cook on low or whatever. And I think I'm gonna need this once it unthaws, because the meat was like frozen. Now you can get this meat already like unthawed or what have you, from what I understand. But I'm gonna just let this cook a little bit in the pan, and then I'm gonna come back when it's starting to break apart, because it's really simple. It's just that I never made it before, so I'm doing it on the channel with y'all. But y'all can see how it looks. Let me see. Yeah, so the bottom piece is already kind of unthawing, so I'm going to let that just sit in there for a little bit and unthaw. And when it starts to break apart, then I'll be back and showing y'all how it's looking. Okay, y'all, so now the meat is starting to like break apart, as y'all can see. I just been kind of chopping it down. So this is how it's looking. Of course, we're gonna cook it fully done, because I don't know if you can eat this like you eat a regular. Well, I guess you could, but I'm not. I'm gonna cook this all the way through. And I'm going to put a little bit more seasoning. Also, I'm going to use some of this because I use Worcestershire, but I don't have any, so we're going to use a little bit of liquid smoke. And then probably a little bit more beef broth. So, done with that. A little bit more pepper. A little bit more onion. Garlic. And then seasoned salt, just a little bit. So that should be good. It smells really good, y'all. So we're just gonna let that cook. And then, so that you pretty much get the gist of that. I have the cheese sauce back here And you literally don't have to do anything but heat it up. You don't really have to do nothing extreme. I just literally poured it out of the can and put it in the pot. So we literally just have to let that get warm. So that's what we're doing, and I'll be back when the meat is done. And I am going to toast the rolls in this pan here. And then I'm going to plate it, and of course, baby will do a taste test. Okay, y'all. So y'all see the cheese sauce in the back. And y'all, these say steak rolls, even though I wish it was connected like I saw it on, other people's channel. But I put some butter in the pan, and then we're going to toast these. And y'all, I'm going to show y'all what the steak cooked down to. So y'all saw I put 4 of those little, I don't know what you call them, steaks or whatever. But it didn't cook down to a whole lot. But I hope y'all can kind of see what I see. It's a decent amount, but so now I know when I cook this in the future, we definitely need 2 boxes. So I'm letting this toast up, and the cheese sauce, you literally just heat it up. I mean, you can make your own. Some people made their own, but we just got the little cans. So that's that. I think I'm going to turn it down. And like I said, I'm going to let these get a little char on the bread. Like that. Let it get a little bit more. And then I'll be right back when... Actually, that's pretty much how you cook it. I'll be right back when I show y'all baby doing his taste test, because you literally just cooking the meat down. If you're gonna do your own cheese sauce, I saw them using like milk and just like cheese or whatever, like nothing too extreme. Again, we just got the little cans that was already in the store. Let the bread get, okay, that's good right there. And I'm gonna do baby 2 of these. Because we're not having nothing but just the sandwich. So I'm going to give him 2. And y'all, I'm literally just putting butter and like getting it toasted in the pan. Nothing too extreme. So I will be back when baby is doing his taste test. Okay, y'all, so baby got his food. I made him 2 sandwiches. They look good. And I put mayo, the cheese sauce, and white American on the bread. So go ahead, babe. Move your table close, because you know that sandwich is messy. I also gave baby a fork just in case, because, like I said, we don't have the... Ooh.
Okay.
You like that?
Right. Ooh.
All right. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna let baby, hold on. Okay, y'all, so y'all saw baby's reaction. He really likes it. Again, this is my first time making it at home, which is really, really simple. I just never thought about really doing it at home, but it's like dumb simple. Literally just saute your meat and your vegetable blend. Make your own cheese sauce or buy the can like I did. We put mayo because we saw them putting mayo on the bread and the cheese sauce. And somebody used provolone and then somebody used white American. We had white American already in the refrigerator, so that's what I went with. But baby said it is good. I'm about to make my plate. And me and baby are watching Family Feud tonight. So we are about to eat and do us. And y'all already know, honey, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend about Qui Nichelle, because y'all know how we do on the channel. And y'all already know, honey, we are out.